Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am here with another honest review. If you are thinking of getting Botox, please do not get Botox. I have something that might help you. Oia Skin reached out to me to see if I can try out their patches and give a honest review. And I was like, let's do this collaboration. So we are here. So this is the patch I have a subscription to. These patches are made with the highest quality medical grade silicone. This one helps the wrinkles on your face. Together they create ideal microclimate to draw moisture to the skin surface, to restore hydration, and the skin stimulates collagen production. And this leaves your skin tight, firm, and Botox free. The forehead, the under eyes, the mouth area, the neckline, and the chest. I personally am not a wrinkle person. I don't have wrinkles on my face, but I do laugh a lot. And so I think for me, it will probably be here in my mouth area, but we're gonna see in this video, definitely. Because I'm somebody, I don't sleep too long. Sometimes I want to sleep, but I cannot sleep. And so I do have also a lot of my under eye problem, because if I don't have enough sleep, it's so deep right here, it looks so bad. Let's see how that will help my under eye issue. I am going to try this today, and if I see a good result, guys, I'm going to be using it definitely. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to use it. So as you can see, I've already washed my face. So make sure that you have no makeup on your face, no serums, and no creams at all. So now it's time to apply. Just gonna take off this. So, and we have one of the eye. So, as you can see, the face is complete. We have the face, and try not to pull it too tight. I want you to see before. We're going to try the one for the neck area. So here for the neck, make sure you don't pull it too tight on the back, because you're gonna feel it, okay? So you wanna make sure you don't pull it too tight. Otherwise, you're gonna feel like something is choking you. So see, I'm gonna just leave this for some hours, because the truth is, I'm at home and I'm gonna spend time and time to, to do some housework, and I'm gonna come back after 4 to 6 hours. I will see. We're gonna open it later today and see really what this does. So I'm gonna leave this for 4 to 6 hours on my face, and I'm gonna come back and I will show you the result. You can apply these patches before going to bed and let the patch do its work while you're sleeping, or you can also do it like me if you're at home and you have enough time to apply it and let it also stop, because you have to let it do its magic on your face. So you just leave it on, and if you have something to do, or just relax. So we have another one for my chest, but I'm just gonna leave this one for my chest because honestly, you can see I have no wrinkles on. I know I could try this one, but you know what, I could just do a giveaway. I think somebody will need this one. I'm just gonna do a giveaway of this. So let me know in the comment section if you need this. I'm gonna give away. Just leave it in the comment section below, and I will link down, of course, my email, and I can ship it to you. But I'm only doing it here in Germany, okay? Mind you, only in Germany. I'm actually gonna see this together, but it already feels so good. It's like tightening the skin. It's tightening the skin. We're gonna see how this turn out, guys. So yes, let's see. I'll come back later. Yes. All right. I'm back and it's time to take off those patches. I left it for 5 hours and now I'm about to take them off. But I have to tell you, this area is feeling a little tight. I can feel it. It feels so tight as well. Now I am going to just take them off. Just take the first patch off. Make sure you hold your skin tight and then pull it so you don't hurt yourself. So. These patches are great for all ages. I like using them during the day when I'm at home, but you can use them overnight and let the patch do its work while you're sleeping. I guarantee you're gonna love it. You can use this up to 10 times or more. It depends on how good you take care of it. Thank you, Oia, for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna leave all the information below. I'll leave the link also in the description box below. We also have an Instagram. I'm going to leave that also down below so you can follow them on Instagram. I'm gonna be doing this again and again and again because I'm happy with the result. This will definitely help me in the future to get my under eyes smooth, firm, and looking Botox free. So don't ever think of getting Botox. This is my honest review today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed to this channel, try this patch out. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.